On the 29th of last month, controversial e-commerce companies Timon and Waymaker Price filed for corporate rehabilitation with the court. Timon and Waymaker Price have failed to pay about 200 billion won for goods and are reportedly owed up to 1 trillion won. When a company goes into corporate rehabilitation procedures, all the company's receivables, things that are owed money, are effectively frozen, meaning that sellers won't be able to get paid for their goods for a while. Today, we're going to talk about corporate rehabilitation. Corporate rehabilitation. A corporate rehabilitation, often referred to as a court receivership, is the management of a business by a court-appointed third party when a company has too much debt to sustain itself. When a company is facing insolvency, the court determines whether it is solvent, i.e., whether it can be saved, and helps rebuild the company by balancing the interests of creditors, shareholders, and other stakeholders. When a company applies for rehabilitation, the court reviews the petition to decide whether to begin rehabilitation proceedings. If the court determines that the request is justified, it will issue a property conservation order and a blanket injunction. The property conservation order relieves the company from paying most existing debts, except for wages and taxes, while the blanket injunction freezes all of the company's assets until the court formally initiates receivership. The court appoints an administrator when it decides to initiate rehabilitation proceedings, which may be the existing managing director, but may also appoint a third party as administrator if the financial failure of the company is attributable to the existing management. The appointed administrator will conduct a valuation of the debtor's property and submit it to the court. If a company is deemed to be worth more as a going concern than it would be if it were liquidated, company being disbanded, the court will order a plan of arrangement to be filed. Workout. A similar concept to corporate rehabilitation is workout, which is a restructuring and innovative management activities for the recovery of an insolvent company. In legal terms, it is also known as joint administration of creditors or corporate reconstructing. Workout is often carried out before corporate rehabilitation, which creditors, consisting of financial institutions that have lent money to the company, help the company recover by relaxing and adjusting the terms of debt. The workout process is usually triggered when a company's debt to financial institutions exceeds 50 billion won, or when the company's credit risk is rated C, signs of insolvency, or D, insolvency. In the meantime, representatives of Timon and Waymaker Price have stated that they are pursuing a merger and acquisition, and that they will sell their shares or use them as collateral to resolve the situation. The government has also pledged a minimum of 560 billion won in emergency funds. We will observe how these strategies address the situation.